Hey guys, Captain Fatty here, and today I want to do a review for a product called Viddyoze. Now, I'm really excited about this product, and I'm just going to explain a few things before I get into the review. I'm just going to show you guys what this product has done in the past. Chances are you guys might have heard about it. I actually reviewed this product maybe a year ago for version 2.0, and I'm pretty sure I reviewed it a year before for version 1.0. And again, the guys continue to deliver and deliver. So basically about the product, it was created in 2015 and basically has continued to innovate and challenge the expectations of 3D video animation, becoming one of the leading platforms in animated animation online. So, still not convinced, 80,000 customers, which is pretty damn impressive, guys, with over 1 million videos rendered in the software. So basically, this tells us that software works across the board. I think when you've got 80,000 customers, you've done 1 million videos, and it's also generated over $10 million in sales online. I'm pretty sure that the software is going to work flawlessly. So basically, professional 3D animations in just a few clicks, more than 800 customizable templates, stable, trustworthy, and always advancing, which is pretty much what these guys do. So I have not personally, for the last 15-20 minutes, I've been checking out some of the videos. I've been just playing around with the software, but I've not actually rendered a video. So what I'd like to do for you guys, as the same, if you end up picking this up as a new user, what exactly are you going to get? So I'm probably going to render 2 videos here. I'm going to render one video for an upcoming launch. This is an upcoming launch, and if you look at the beginning, there's no intro video and there's no outro. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to basically take the logo, maybe take the date, and create a quick intro for this. Another website is, my brother's actually he's into real estate. He's in Kentucky in America. And we used to do a lot of animation videos for him, and he's really, really busy in his business. Every few days I ought to see him post a new house for sale, new house available, etc. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take maybe this one here with 3 images, and I'm going to create a professional video for him and basically see how quick I can do it. So let's get rocking. I do apologize. I have it's a bank holiday here in Spain, so I've got my baby girl here behind me as well. We're babysitting. So, okay, let's continue. When you log into the software, basically this is what you see. You've got all these different categories, templates. You've got 900 recently added, alpha, background, extended, intro, live action, logo, outro, overlay, etc. So what I'm going to do is I'm generally after something that is short, 1 to 5 seconds long, and I would like something for the logo. I'll just do this one first and see how quick we can actually get it up. So let me see. I just want something. Okay, flat glitch. As you can see, guys, there's actually 280 logo images here, but I'm not going to waste a massive amount of time. I think it's just the effect that's important and something that actually suits your brand. Personally, I like this flat glitch. So, okay, we come along here. You can see what you can edit, but if you want to edit anything, you must click Customize the video. Okay, so we've got one image, we've got text, we've got the colors, and we've got the audio. So let's just go with the image first. So I'm just going to take this image here, downloads, and I'm going to upload it. Okay, excellent. Right, the text is your text launching May the 12th. And the colors, basically I could change this around to these colors here, but I think the colors that are here pretty much match it. So I'm just going to leave the colors as they are. The audio is fine, and I'm going to click Create Preview. So let's see what this is. We're going to call this PLR Bundle Deals, and we're going to click Continue. Okay, so I could have previewed it there. I apologize, I could have showed you, but you can see here the percentage. Keep in mind these have to render. It's probably going to take 1 minute. So what I can do in this case, guys, I can go straight along and I can actually create a new video. There's no need to wait. And I'm just going to type in real estate, real, and see if anything related to real estate comes up. Auto service, architects, restaurant slideshow. Let me just type in real estate. Okay, excellent. Real estate, real estate, real estate. There was Sleek real estate, property address. Okay, now what's probably keeping this, I actually seen better ones, so I would think the reason would be longer. And let's search. Okay, excellent. I definitely did find other ones here on this. As I said, there's so many different templates here. Let's just have a quick look here and see if I can find it. Restaurant sales marketing company. We can see everything that's actually included in here. White caps, there's hoodies, a massive amount of templates. Sleek real estate. Okay, I think that was the one I was looking at before. And let me just go along here. And if we go to categories, and if we go to live action, we might actually find this is actually all people. Okay. Okay, cool. Well, let's just go with, let's just type in house, see if anything comes up. No. Okay, Sleek real estate, perfect. Right, let's go with this one. Yeah, I think customize this video. It should have 6 images. Yes, this is the one I was referring to before. So first I want to grab the logo. So I'm just going to click save image as. I'm going to upload the logo. The intro and the outro image. Let me just grab this here. That might work. Save image as. I probably should be using full-size images for this, but I think this we will probably get away with it. And I'm going to take these 3 images here as the images of the house. Now guys, keep in mind, this is a very slick way to come along and start getting offline clients as well. My brother basically pays between $2,000 a year for a consultant or for a service for us to actually help him with this. So it is very easy for you to come along and create an image for your videos. Sorry, create a video using some images and actually present it to an actual client and make sales that way. So I'm just going to take this as the last image, and obviously we could improve it with better ones, but we'll just see how this works. So we'll go with this. Okay, excellent. So we've got text here. Let's go logo, subtitle, sell your home fast. And we've got intro, property address. So just for this example here, I'm just going to take this here. Obviously, guys, I will not be publishing this video live. It's just more or less a live example for you guys, making it as real as possible. So, put our logo. For here, we could probably have the phone number. So we'll just go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, the color is Alan's. The website color, he kind of uses the orange, the black, and the green. So it's one of those colors that I would like to go with. So we'll try. I personally prefer the orange theme. So let's go with that. And the audio is perfect. So let's click create preview and see what happens. So I'm just going to call this Kentucky Real Estate and click continue. Okay, again, it's rendering the video and it's going to be pretty quick. So let's just go to my videos and let's see what's happening. Okay, this one here it was created 4 minutes ago. So let's check it out. I'm just going to click save. It's going to download pretty quick. What I'm going to do is just simply add it to the end of the video or to the start of the video, preferably both. There's 101 free tools that you can use to do this. So generally, guys, that was a quick example, but let me just put it on full screen and play. It's going to grab people's attention. I think that's pretty cool. It's much better than just the opening of a video. So, okay, it works flawlessly. It's quick, it's simple. Let's go back to my videos. And what I'm really interested in is this one here. So, rendering, I presume, there is somewhere here that you can view the percentage of the video. I know that for a fact because I have seen it. So I presume this is going to take a minute, guys. I'm just going to pause this video, and once it's ready, I'm just going to put it back on. overall, you could say I'm really impressed. Massive amount of templates. It's quick, it's simple. It's something you could use for product reviews. It's something with affiliate marketing. It's something you should be using for all your own products, your training videos, your JV videos, your sales videos. If you're into offline marketing, definitely there's so many uses for this, for basically uploading it to YouTube, uploading to Facebook. And there is long templates here as well, guys. That is something that, let's just go up to 10 to 20 seconds and just do a quick search. Basically, you have a lot of videos like that as well that you could use in so many different ways. There's some really good features. Well, I'm actually not explaining one feature very well. There's one here. Let's just go with, this is 11%. It's going to take a few minutes. There's a feature here. Intro extended background recently added. For example, here we go. There's a lot of videos like this, tourism. And as you can see, it's not just an intro video. This is something that could be used to promote Facebook or anything like that. So yeah, I can see the baby's off now. So there's so much more to this. Let me just go to customize this video and just show you. Customize all the images, customize all the text, customize the colors, customize the audio. So with this template alone, you could use it for pretty much any business you want by changing the colors, changing the images, and changing the text. So, okay, guys. Right, well, here, I might as well talk about the bonus while this video is actually rendering. I've decided, yes, it's an awesome product, and I am going to offer a bonus with it. I've always stated for 3 or 4 years that the person that I've learned the most about when it comes to creating and publishing videos and making them look good is basically Joey X. It's one guy I've been following for a long time, especially when it comes to videos. I think by just checking out his quality, you would see exactly what I mean. This software, guys, across the board works. So what I'm going to give you guys is I Am Video Masters training course, which is a course I sell for $47. It cost me over $10,000 to create this course. It is 31 videos, 32 videos on how to create, edit, and publish videos for everything you need to do online. We've been using video in our business for 6 or 7 years, and just like this video, they basically help us generate more sales in our business, whether it's for our own products or for other products. They help us get more branding, more exposure. So it's something you need to know and understand. And the training that I'm giving you guys is basically all my experience gone into one. It will help you a lot. So basically, you got a software for cool intros, outros, and you got basically 31 bonus training videos from me as well, valued at $47. So that will be available directly after purchase. So, okay, guys, I'm going to pause this, and I'll see you in about 2 minutes. Okay, guys, welcome back. What I've noticed is you actually get an email once your video is finished rendering. So I just received this email. So let me just go back here, click refresh. Okay, excellent. So we're going to download the MP4 and exact same again. This, I will be honest, it took a few extra minutes to render. The first one took less than a minute. This probably took the best part of 8 minutes. I can see why. It's actually 8 minutes the size. So let's see what we got going on here. Let me just turn down the volume. So that was the intro logo. Obviously there's room for improvement there, but these ones here of the house is absolutely perfect. I could have added more text, of course, but perfect in that sense. Add more text here could have been done. So all in all, it's basically a slideshow displaying the number, displaying everything like that. I suppose one of the questions I might have for this is, can I go back in and easily edit this video? So if I go to my videos and I click on this, it's actually going to download it. So basically, from what I can see here, I can't actually go in and edit it, which is a little bit disappointing. I'd like to go back in and just add more text and stuff like that to the video. So I presume what I need to do is basically select the template again and just re-render it from there. So guys, okay, that's my review of Viddyoze. Excellent software, so many uses for it, especially for those who basically you might be working for other people, doing outsourcing, doing services, doing graphic design, doing websites, a lot of money in there. For those doing affiliate marketing, at least your intros and outros of your review videos get more attention. Just put more effort in, and you could say your customer experience will be better and it will be appreciated. So this is Captain Fatty, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and again, the bonus will be delivered instantly after purchase. Have an awesome day, and thank you.